Hey guys, welcome back to Blake Explains All. So today we're going to be learning about Docker. So Docker is a platform as a service product which you can use to help you manage your a platform as a service product is very similar to a function as a service product, where it's a type of cloud computing offering in which it's a platform in which the clients are able to run and manage their business applications without the need to build any of the information or system software themselves. This is very similar to function as a service, and basically that's what Docker is. So to download Docker, we're going to go to Docker Enterprise Container Platform, or Docker Hub. And Docker actually on Docker Hub has a great download tutorial to download to help you understand how to set up Docker. So we're going to be right back once Docker is installed. To Docker, I would just like to explain the difference between Docker and virtual machines. So basically, virtual machines don't use containers, whereas Docker is a container system. So a container is basically a standardized unit of software that connects all of the apps in a centralized place under an operating system, all under the same infrastructure. So if you guys are really interested about Docker, you can obviously learn a lot more about Docker on the website, and obviously you can run Docker with Windows, Linux, pretty much anything. And it talks about the differences between Docker and virtual machines literally on the Docker website. So if you're ever interested in the differences, we have the actual differences right here. So you can see that containers are an abstract app layer, while virtual machines are actual physical hardware that are turning one server into many servers. Play with Docker installed, you should be able to have a screen like this. And I'll leave the link in the description for this GitHub over here. But I have a GitHub that has a bunch of codes that we'll be using. So first thing you want to do is set up an instance. So this lets you set up the amount of managers, workers. Seems pretty self-explanatory. So we're just going to do one manager and one worker for right now. And you'll notice that we get a terminal system. Now we can start as I'm under a manager right now, but and someone else can come up through the worker if I open the port. But I also have the ability to edit and start editing code in this terminal. So if I just start putting Docker code in, I'm able to actually create and work together on systems through Docker with other people.